Thank you.
So guys, an hour later, it's already 9 p.m. East African time. So I was just here chilling, waiting on my USD card trade to hit TP. Then I saw the USD JPY. I was like, why not? Why not? This thing is going to the upside. This thing must go to the upside. So I made my analysis on the laptop, the PC, and I came and entered my trade here. So look, we are up $50. So literally, I've taken this account from $68 and we are now at $183. Yeah, we have tripled this account, actually quadrupled this account. So guys, this is the truth. I am the truth. I am that guy. I am him. Yeah, USD card 50 pips. We're going to the upside. Let me close USD card. Let me close USD card. And guys, this is simple. All of you guys can do this. All of you guys can map this out for yourself. Let me leave one for USD card and I will hold the USD JPY. I'll hold for the USD JPY for like more 8 hours and I'm targeting these highs here. This one I'm targeting, but even if I go out to the 100 pips, that's okay. That's okay because 36.97, then 37.97 right there. That's 100 pips. Yeah, so I'm targeting here or 200 pips right there. So it is what it is. Let's leave it to move for some hours, then we shall come back and check that trade out. Yeah, but all the breakdowns of these trades are coming, and be patient guys. So yeah, inshallah, see you guys in the breakdown. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you're getting any value from this, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss anything. God bless. What I do, traders. It's a Wednesday morning, and you're back here with USD JPY, and as you can see, we are up $96, $95. So basically $100. Remember yesterday we started this account with $68. Yesterday we quadrupled it. We made 4 times of 4 times 68, and then today again, as you can see, $100 up. So all I'm going to tell you guys is that the things are very simple as long as you dedicate your time to learning them the right way, as long as you do the right things that I've always been sharing with you guys on this channel here, because I've been 100% with you guys. I don't filter anything. I just say the way it's supposed to be said, and I've been sharing many things with you guys. So I'll be dropping a breakdown of this trade, of course, but as for now, I'm just showing you guys what is happening here. Let me check the 15 minutes time frame. So basically we have reached our TP. I'm going to be closing almost all the positions. Let me close this. Close that. Close that. Then also closing this. Come on. Close this. Close this. Then also let's first go and check on the USD card. Remember yesterday we left the USD card moving up. It's another break and retest. So right now, let me see the break and retest. Big rejection, momentum candle. So I'm waiting for this candle to close in about an hour and a half. When it closes, I will take buy to the upside. I'll just continue with that, with those buy trades on this one here. Yeah, because look at the structure. 30 minutes time frame. We are breaking a retest, break, retest, break, the first retest, second retest. Yeah, first retest, second retest, and look at this. Price has changed direction, so we are going to the upside for this one here. It's a must. We should go to the upside. So yeah, look at this. We have closed $200 since we started the account. Yeah, let me make it official. No, let me. I'm going to be. I should be leaving one position running. One. Come on. Let's close some of this. Come on, come on, come on. Ah, but it's fine. Let me just close USD card. So we have made the $200 in total in under a day. In under 20. In under a day. Yeah. In under a day. So guys, this is just very simple. This is very simple. So I'm going to be adjusting the stop loss to break even here, and wait for this to move up to here. Yeah, you don't want to always be exiting all your trades. You want to leave at least one, right? You want to leave at least one to move. That 136.76, 136.76, 136. No, I'm not going to put a tip on it, but I'm just going to be monitoring it as it's flying to the upside, right? Just going to be monitoring it for the meantime. Yeah, so basically flip this account all the way from $68 to what, to 248. That's what is banked. Yeah, that's what we have, and that won't change. So yeah, let me freshen up in a bit, and I'll be dropping for you guys the breakdown of this trade here. So guys, if you're getting value from this, make sure you tune in, and by tuning in I mean you subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment down below on what you want to see next, and yeah, that's all.